Good morning and welcome back. So for today's cooking, we are going to make a Cajun seafoods. This is actually consists of a variety of seafoods such as shrimp, octopus, mussels, pusit or nocos, and a bit of sweet corn. So first off, we actually have a huge octopus that really scares me a lot. This is almost 2 kilos, guys. Just imagine how big our octopus is. And of course, before we start, we need to wash this first to remove all the dirt and making sure that it's clean prior putting it on. And next is our pusit or nocos. We actually have different sizes here from small to large since it's the only available in the market. So this is actually 2 kilos as well, guys, and technically we are going to cook a lot of seafoods today. So for those who have allergies, make sure to have your cetirizine ready. And this is how we clean our pusit, guys. Just wash the inside of the tube thoroughly to make sure it is super clean. And now we have our fresh mussels, and sa Bisaya we call this tahong. And next in line is my all-time favorite shrimp. Just simply clean it with water and use a toothpick or a bamboo toothpick to take out the brine and it should be ready. But there's actually a lot of ways, guys, on how to clean it, but that actually depends on your preference and how you want it to be cooked. So after cleaning those seafoods, we must first pour the water inside a large stock pot that can fit all of our seafood and then apply some heat. Once the water begins to boil, guys, you can start putting all those seafoods one by one and boil it for 3 minutes. You can also integrate your salt, pepper, ginger, and garlic if you want to. So after that, you can put your corn inside and we let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now get ready with your onion and garlic. Make sure you already chop it ahead of time. Now we only have one left to boil, which is our pusit. It's actually taking so much time, guys, because our pot cannot accommodate everything because we have a massive amount of seafoods. And to be honest, it took us almost 4 hours to finish this food, but it will be all worth it in the end. And in a large wok pan, guys, heat the oil and butter over medium heat and then add the minced garlic and cook just until limp and aromatic and then stir. So the garlic, guys, is very important to this base flavor and it also shares many similarities to onions. That is why they are often the first thing that goes in the pan. Our sauce is now ready. So if you can notice, guys, we put first the corn because dili na paigw if apilon panina mo siya og butang together with the seafoods. So we're done boiling all the seafoods. We can now proceed to the last step. And using the same wok pan, guys, we can put all together the pusit and then the octopus and shrimp, and then we'll just need to mix it. Last is our mussel. So this is already cooked, guys. So our goal here is to have the sauce absorb so that it allows it to take all those wonderful flavors from the herbs and spices. It's very tasty, guys, and if you are wondering what a Cajun seasoning tastes like, if it's mixed to seafoods, well, the best way to describe it would be a combination of heat and savory flavors. The cayenne pepper gives the seasoning its heat, while the other spices add a touch of sweetness and a depth of flavor. So here, we cut the octopus into pieces because dako ra jud kaayo siya and scary siya tanawon if it's still whole, and at the same time, guys, it can be shared easily when served. And in this part, guys, we'll just need to put a small amount of water and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. So while waiting, just a short story. We are not actually born with a silver spoon. It's very rare for us to cook foods like this. Well, to be honest, guys, we haven't got the opportunity to taste what a Cajun seafood's like because growing up in the mountain, guys, is very hard. Before makakain lang kami ng sardinas, is super happy na namin kaya it pushed me a lot and my siblings to work hard to get out of that situations and help our parents financially, and of course to be able to eat good foods and have a good life. At the same time, guys, we don't want our kids to experience that kind of hardship. And now that we can now afford, we always make sure to share foods with our family. So tara, kain tayo. Grabe, super sarap niya, guys. The very first thing you can taste is the seasoning that has a bold and spicy taste. It's smoky and savory in a way that will remind you of a barbecue and grilling. The flavor is very powerful, guys, and the more you taste, the hotter your food will be. And as mentioned earlier, guys, it's always fun to share food with family because it's the perfect opportunity to be connected with your loved ones. The more often you eat together with your family or friends, the more likely they are to feel happy and satisfied with their lives. Because being together daily at the table is an important chance to celebrate being a family by staying in touch, learning about family culture, and conversation. Family meals are for nourishment, comfort, and support, and they say, guys, that food is better eaten with the people we love. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy and see you on our next vlog. Bye!